Croeso. Welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country, through sound and story wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're at Three Cliffs Bay, by y Tri Chlogwyn, on Gower. Famed for its beauty and epic stretches of sand, cliffs and coves, dunes and gentle hills. You're standing on the golden edge of Wales. Croeso I Gymru. Welcome to Three Cliffs Bay, by y Tri Chlogwyn. You've stepped into a place where story and sea meet. Ahead of you, 3 limestone peaks rise from the sea like guardians of Gower. Gower. They have watched over this bay for generations, each one shaped by time and tide, and a touch of Celtic legend. Around you, the bay opens wide, a sweep of golden sand cradled by cliffs of pale limestone. Behind you, the dunes rise softly, crowned with wild grass and whispering marram. As you breathe in, the air is salted and sweet. Sea spray, sun-warmed grass, and the scent of coastal flora and wild thyme carried on the wind. Beneath your feet, sand ripples with patterns that nature has drawn for centuries. This is a place shaped by rhythm, of tide, of light, of time itself. Every grain of sand, every rock, holds the memory of a million tides. Let the water's rhythmic murmur guide your breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Long ago, the people here whispered that this coast was touched by Tylwyth Teg, the fairy folk. They say the ruins of Pennard Castle above the bay were once alive with their laughter, until a storm of sand, summoned by their magic, covered it all. And so the castle ruins now slumber upon the cliffs. Peaceful, eternal, serene, calm. Just as you are now, as you slowly breathe in and breathe out, feel grounded, connected to the cliffs around you, the sky above, the sand beneath your feet, to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref. Home. To discover the real Wales and plan your visit, go to visitwales.com.